para daw magkalaro. So marami nagsasabi and marami. Ako, to be honest, happy ako na in-enjoy mo namin si Zion ngayon. Pero, you know, if may blessing na dumating yung isa pang baby, I'll be happy. Pero tingnan natin. Kailangan siguro muna, we have to iron the formalities first.
Short, ano na reaction, although few months back na to, nagtuloy-tuloy na ba yung relationship na okay yung between kay Annabelle and yung mommy ni Sarah?
Yes, finally. Nasa season 3 din yun kung paano sila nagkapatid. Pero we're very thankful na nagkapatid na sila. And we've been trying to push them to, you know, to make things up. And sana, kumbaga ilang beses namin pinlano para magkapatid sila. Kung kailan hindi namin pinlano, doon pa sila nagkapatid. So we're very thankful. You know, talagang timing lang talaga. It was the right time. Pareho na silang relax, pareho na silang naka-move on. So, we're very happy right now. Actually, nagkakasama na kami. And actually, si Zion din ang susi doon. So, Zion really has a very positive effect on the whole family.
So, ano ba yung in terms of strength ng relationship ni Sarah? Kasi syempre, di ba parang mahalaga na yung parents.
Yes. Mahalaga talaga yun. Mahalaga talaga. Kasi syempre, you know, for a few months, actually for a year yata yun, na, you know, there was a lot of tension, you know, hindi sila nagkikita, bawal sila magkikita. Si Zion, you know, nagkahati sila ng oras kay Zion. So, you know, it was causing a lot of stress. Pero kami ni Sarah, all throughout the challenges, talagang kaming dalawa lang yung talagang nag-stick together.
Sorry, ngayon nasa The Filipino Channel na yung Gutierrez, do you see yourself making a project with the Kapamilya Network in the near future?
Alam mo, ever since, you know, I've been in the industry pretty long and I've always been asked that question. And, you know, if given the opportunity that there's a right project with ABS-CBN, why not? I mean, there's a lot of people there that, you know, that I haven't worked with, a lot of good directors there that I haven't worked with. And it's, you know, if it's something exciting, something that will really excite me, you know, why not?
Sino yung number one sa listahan mo na gusto mong makatrabaho sa industry?
Sino ba? Sagot ko na yata yung dati. Pero marami. Especially their directors. They have really good creative directors there that, you know, really shine, make their artists shine. So,
Sa leading ladies?
I'm very happy
Si Anne.
ikaw nagsabi niya. Actually, marami ako natatanggap sa social media ko, sa fans, sa mga fans club na, you know, they want me to be paired again. You know, Angel or Anne, they miss those projects that we did before. So, you know, if given the right project, why not?
Short kasi Father's Day na. Being a father na rin. Ano yung mga qualities ni Tito Eric na kinuha mo o na ina-play mo ngayon as a father?
Ano ba? Just really like